Is your 2008 Audi A6 experiencing rough idling, hesitation, or that dreaded check engine light? Don't let misfire and drivability problems leave you stranded. Call us now at 267-279-9477 or visit doylestownautoshop.com. Email us at doylestownautorepair@gmail.com. At Doylestown Auto Repair, we're Eastern Pennsylvania's European car specialists, and we know your A6 inside and out. That 2008 model year is notorious for ignition coil failures and carbon buildup issues that cause misfires. While other shops might guess, we use advanced diagnostics to pinpoint exactly what's wrong. Our certified technicians have seen it all with these vehicles. From faulty spark plugs to failing fuel injectors, we'll get your Audi running smooth again. We use genuine parts and European-grade tools because your luxury vehicle deserves luxury treatment. Don't trust your investment to just anyone. Follow for real Euro repair advice.